Hello everyone, I'm Shazia Ayub and I'm here for another live on Facebook as well as Instagram. So simultaneously I'm doing both the lives or tonight, in fact it is late night here in Dubai. I just wanted to come live and share with you about our aloe vera and why do we need to have aloe vera in our lives. Okay, so a little bit about aloe vera. I would mention, okay, like there are 400 types of aloe plants in the world, but then there are only four of them which are grown for health benefits, but only one is considered to be the powerful aloe plant, which is aloe barbadensis miller. If you don't know, you should search for it and check it out, which is the best aloe vera plant. So this plant is packed with beneficial properties and is the only aloe that Forever uses. Forever is our company, and we are we have aloe vera based products. So we have the world is full of choices, but of course it's up to you to decide which one to use, right? So that's why I thought, let me just come online and discuss about why should we be using aloe vera and why only Forever aloe. So why aloe vera? We all know that aloe vera has amazing benefits for skin. That's outside, but many people don't know. If you are taking aloe vera uh, for inside health issues, then they have great benefits, because it's not just the outside, it has to be your inside as well, which you are supposed to take care of. If you don't, of course, you don't come to know right away, but like at a later stage in life, when you are growing old, you will definitely see, you know the effects your body takes if you are not taking care of your body, because that's the only place that you live in, right? So you don't want to be dependent on others to take care of you when you could have done that, many years before. That's what we don't understand, and we don't really, if somebody wants to educate you on that, you don't want to listen to it. That's because our upbringing is such that if anything happens to you, you should be going to a doctor, राइट आई थिंक यही सब को बताया जाता है शुरू से ही कि कुछ भी है, थोड़ा सा ये है वो है, लाइक डॉक्टर के पास जाओ। लेकिन डॉक्टर के पास जाने के बाद क्या होता है, आपको मेडिकेशंस मिलती है एंड देन यू आर ऑन मेडिकेशंस एंड देन एट अ लेटर स्टेज फिर दिस प्रॉब्लम दैट प्रॉब्लम, आई डोंट वांट टू talk about those kind of problems, because we don't have any medical claims on any of our products, but we do know, like, this is the best aloe vera, and we have the best supplements, we have the best drinks, and we have all even the skin care, personal care, household stuff. We have products even that the animals you know uh, these products are used for animals too, and everyone has seen the benefits. If you want to know more about these products, you want to see before and after pictures, you can get in touch with me and I can show them to you, because we have the proofs, we have everything that we can, these are all the testimonies, right? So people are using the products, they posted about their testimony about using these products. So of course, we know it works. Now a little bit about Forever. Now what we say is Forever is vertically integrated. What that means is our aloe plants, the aloe plantation is owned by Forever. They don't have a middleman. They do everything on their own. They have nutraceuticals, just like pharmacies, they have pharmaceuticals. So Forever has its own nutraceuticals. They have their scientists, they have people in the labs. They also have, scientific board. So those are highly qualified people, right? So of course they take care of everything, they check out everything, and then only then all these products are sold worldwide. And if you see, we have offices in over 165 countries. It's not just like, in just few countries, it's over 165 countries. How many countries do you think there are in the world? And you see 165 countries, right? So there are so many people around who are using the products all over the world globally. And I don't think so we have so many complaints. It depends, like, and we do have money back guarantee on the products, but mostly what happens is people normally come back to purchase more products instead of like returning the products, because they see the benefits. The other thing I would say is it's not medicine, so it takes a little time to feel the benefits, to feel the effects, because as medicine is how it is. It works fast, but then later stage there is a problem. But these are supplements, not medicine, so supplements take little time, but then health wise you can take them as long as you want, and it won't affect any of your internal parts of the body, right? Okay, so the reason I also wanted to come live was to give you a demo as to how our aloe vera works. ठीक है, वो किस तरह काम करता है हम जब एलोवेरा जेल को पीते हैं, right? So that is the reason we should be. One moment, I have some points here, so I don't want to miss that as well. So anyways, so let's just say let's talk about first aloe vera, then I will show you the demo. Now aloe vera, as I said, it has tremendous benefits, right? Now benefits as such, like when taking it for inside health, like it supports digestive health, it promotes a healthy immune system, it supports nutrient absorption, then it boosts natural energy levels, then even dental health, because we have tooth gel for that, and hygiene, collagen and elastin support. Collagen, as you know, it's needed, especially for ladies after they give birth. For every child that she gives birth to, her collagen reduces. Okay, even like after 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, every decade the body changes. So for women, they really need collagen, they really need this stuff. But then of course what I would say is aloe vera you cannot take if you're breastfeeding or if you are expecting, if you're pregnant. Okay, so it shouldn't be taken. If you are taking this aloe vera gel beforehand, like you are used to drinking it and you drink during pregnancy, that's fine, that's not an issue. But you can always check with your gynecologist, and then she will be the one to advise you, right? So here I will show you a demo. I've got these two glasses. Why two glasses? Because we have two types of aloe vera gel. One is the original, the other one is like a juice. Okay, the original has even a little pulp in it, which I like, and the other one does not have pulp, so that is new. To be honest, I have not tried the new one because I've been always drinking the old one, the original one. Okay, so we have this water. Now this water represents you when you were born, when you were a baby, right? That is the time when you are just drinking your mother's milk, and as you grow, that's when toxins start to take place in your body. So for toxins, this is betadine. It represents the toxins that we have in our body. You can get this from the pharmacy. So all these toxins, I will show you how we get them in our body, and how it cleanses how the aloe vera gel cleanses it out. So let's just say this is you when you were a baby, and then as you grow up, you start to have home cooked food, takeaway. Okay, I have to do it in this too. Okay, it's just like normal water, so I'm just mixing betadine in this. Okay, then fast food, that's pizza, KFC, Hardee's, what else is there, McDonald's. You start to have all these foods from outside. Let's just say you have this. Now you see all the toxins I hope you can see it properly, right? Someone can tell me. I think this is better. Okay, right? So this is toxins. So I'm going to do this experiment with noodles. Why noodles? Because noodles represent our intestines or intestines, whatever, like, you know, some people say that, some people say, okay, anyways. So these noodles represent our intestines. So you see how it becomes, right? I don't have the other one, but I will use the same. You see how this is what happens to our intestine, right? Now what I would like also to explain to you a bit is about our inside body. Just a moment. Okay, because I have these pointers here, I really don't want to miss, and it's a bit scientific, so you know it's not easy to remember everything. Anyways, whatever I can say and whatever I can remember, I will just explain to you. Now I'll just leave this here for you all to see, right? Okay, now in our body we have villi. Villi are like our fingers, you know, like this, and it's like, you know, it helps in absorption of food. Okay, when you take your food, it absorbs, it helps in that for the absorption, right? Now if you don't clean your villi, so the toxins which are accumulated in the villi, it will prevent the nutrients from being absorbed by the system, right? So because all the good stuff will not go into your system, because your villi are not clean, they are not cleansed, right? They're not properly cleansed. So now this is where our aloe vera comes. It removes the toxins from the villi, so it will allow the nutrients to be absorbed by the system, so it will reach the correct amount of, you know, nutrients, the correct amount of nutrients to the body. So this is what it represents. Now I will show you, because now this is what we have, the original aloe vera gel, and this is what we have, the new one, aloe mini. Okay, you can see here, this is Facebook and this is Instagram, so you both can see, right? Now I'm going to do this experiment with the original one first. So I open this and let me put it in here. Okay, you see how it works? It's all clean. And then we have this. I have not tried it. Let me see. This is also good. Anyways, you see this here? It works well. Now if you see them properly, this is like a juice, and this one still have, you know, little tiny pulp. So that's why I like that, with the pulp. Even this is good. I will definitely keep trying this, and all these bottles are recyclable. Okay, I'll tell you how later. So anyways, this is what we are gonna do. Dip these noodles inside this. So when you are cleaning your gut, this is what's happening. It clears it up. Okay, it clears up. So you keep drinking this on a daily basis and you will see the difference, how it clears up your system, how it cleanses it out, so you will know exactly how it works. So we don't have to drink this. Okay, this is only for experiment. And as I was saying, these bottles, they are recyclable, so you can use them at home for anything. And you see all these stamps in here, right? M is for halal, K is for kosher, and then this is IASC, International Allo Science Council, and it's not easy to get, you know, approval certification from them, but we have it on our products. And here also same what we have here. Okay, so you can see all the stamps, so we know like we can take these products without any, you know, without asking anyone if this is halal or not, because that's what we really need to know before we take any products, right, from any of the companies. So as you can see, these two products, they are the best. And this is 1 liter bottle, this is 330 ml bottle. Nowadays in Dubai we can buy this even as one piece, like, you know, as a single piece. This, of course, this 1 liter you can buy them always, like, you know, as one piece. But this is like small bottles. Nowadays you can buy one piece, otherwise if not one piece, you get this in this box. This is 12 pieces. Okay, 12 pieces of box you get it. ठीक है, तो ये आपको मिलता है उसमें. तो अभी वैसे भी आजकल ऑफर भी लगी हुई है, buy one get one free. So I bought that box. I have, you know, another box. I bought this small one and I've got a free one. Okay, तो अभी ऑफर भी चल रही है. तो anyways, this is what we have and why we should be drinking aloe vera and why is it important, right? And of course, from now on, probably like every Saturdays, I'll come live and talk about any of our products, because I wanted to show this demo beforehand before I speak about our products, कि आपको पता चले कि हमारे जो products हैं उनके जो results आते हैं वो results, you know, people, anybody who's taking who's using the products, they know it really works. So definitely you will know as well. तो रिजल्ट्स उनके अच्छे आते हैं, टेस्टिमोनीज हैं, वो इसीलिए है क्योंकि ये जो मैंने आपको डेमो दिखाया है ये प्योर एलोवेरा की निशानी है. अगर आप कहते हैं कि मुझे वहाँ से एलोवेरा सस्ता मिल रहा है, उसमें भी एलोवेरा है, तो आप ये देखें कि उस एलोवेरा का कलर कैसा है, बिकॉज दिस इज एज यू हैव सीन इट्स वाइट. सो वी ऑलवेज टेक द इनर लीफ, जो अंदर उसके होते हैं, एलोवेरा के अंदर जो होता है लीफ के अंदर, उससे सब प्रोडक्ट्स हमारे बनते हैं. ठीक है, वो जो दूसरी कंपनीज यूज़ करती हैं तो आप वो चेक कर सकते हैं कि वो ग्रीन कलर का होता है. वो क्योंकि वो पूरा लीफ के साथ वो यूज़ करते हैं, इनर एंड आउटर लीफ, विच इज़ नॉट गुड एट ऑल इन द लॉन्ग रन. फिर दूसरे लोग ये भी कहते हैं कि हमारे तो घर में एलोवेरा है तो हम क्यों ये बाय करें, हम तो खुद ही वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं, हम खुद वो करेंगे, उसके साथ करेंगे. और कुछ लोग करते भी हैं, लाइक दे ग्रो एलोवेरा, और वो यूज़ भी करते हैं, बालों में करते हैं, स्किन के लिए करते हैं, लेकिन बट नॉट फॉर लॉन्ग, क्योंकि उनको बेनिफिट्स नज़र नहीं आती हैं. लेकिन वो खुद नहीं बोलेंगे कि हमें बेनिफिट्स नहीं नज़र आए, बिकॉज दे डोंट वांट टू से इट, राइट. वो खुद को गलत नहीं कहना चाहते, दैट्स द रीज़न. और वो इसलिए भी होता है क्योंकि एलोवेरा प्लांट जो है इट नीड्स क्लियर एनवायरनमेंट टू ग्रो. ठीक है, उसको पोल्यूशन, डस्ट, जो भी इर्द गिर्द उसके हो वो सब क्लियर होना चाहिए. इसलिए इस फॉरएवर कंपनी के जो प्लांटेशन है वो डैलस में है और डोमिनिकन रिपब्लिक आई थिंक उधर है. और डेफिनेटली लाइक यू नो दे हैव अ क्लियर एटमॉस्फेयर, हैंड हार्वेस्टेड होता है, नो पेस्टिसाइड्स, नो केमिकल्स, सब कुछ वो ऑर्गेनिकली करते हैं, आई मीन नेचुरली करते हैं, राइट. तो क्योंकि हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स नेचुरल हैं तो वो सब जो चीज़ें हैं जिनमें केमिकल्स हो, जिनमें हमें प्रॉब्लम हो, तो वो यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, राइट. सो हम लोग ये भी कहते हैं कि जो आप टॉप ब्रांड्स ले आओ, ठीक है, और उन प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स का आप देख लो, लेकिन यू विल गेट बेटर रिजल्ट्स विद आवर प्रोडक्ट्स, वो तो ब्रांड्स होते हैं, दे हैव देयर नेम, ऑफ कोर्स फॉरएवर इज़ आल्सो अ बिग नेम, लेकिन उसके लिए आपको प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करने होते हैं टू सी द बेनिफिट्स. यू कैन नॉट जस्ट से कि हाँ ठीक है, यू नो फॉरएवर है, ओके फाइन, आई डोंट बिलीव, या फिर इनके बेनिफिट्स कब मुझे नज़र आएंगे, वो इस तरह नहीं होता. इट टेक्स टाइम एंड यू हैव टू बी पेशेंट. ऑफ कोर्स रिजल्ट्स जल्दी नज़र आ जाते हैं, बट ऑफ कोर्स लाइक कुछ लोगों को जल्दी आते हैं, कुछ लोगों को थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. इट डिपेंड्स कि आपकी बॉडी में कितने टॉक्सिन्स हैं, क्योंकि इतने सालों से अगर आपने बॉडी में टॉक्सिन्स जमा किए हुए हैं तो बहुत टाइम लग जाता है. तो वी वुड से मिनिमम 3 to 6 months यू शुड कीप टेकिंग दीज प्रोडक्ट्स एंड देन सी द डिफरेंस. सही है, उसके बाद ही आपको फिर पता चलेगा आपकी स्किन में, आपकी हेल्थ में किस तरह चेंजेस आते हैं. Right, and we have been using these products at home. My kids use it, I use it, my husband uses it. Alhamdulillah, सबके लिए बहुत अच्छा रहा है. Whether it's like you know inside health or outside, that is skincare. So you know it's been really good and amazing, right? तो if you have any questions, कुछ भी पूछना है आप मैसेज कर दें, DM कर दें, एंड आई विल गेट बैक टू यू. और अगर आपको ये लाइव अच्छी लगी तो यू कैन शेयर इट विद योर फैमिली फ्रेंड्स, जिसके साथ भी आपने शेयर करना है आप शेयर कर सकते हैं कि उनको भी यू नो दे हैव द नॉलेज ऑफ एलोवेरा, अबाउट आवर प्रोडक्ट्स, अबाउट आवर कंपनी, और क्यों फॉरएवर इतना आई मीन इतने ये कंपनी इतनी फेमस है, इतनी पॉपुलर है. And then plus we have the business side, of course. So you know people are using these products, they're sharing these products, and we have the business opportunity. So the people are also sharing the business opportunity to everyone. So alhamdulillah everybody is earning well. लेकिन जहाँ पे जॉब में आप काम करते हैं, आप ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेस स्टार्ट करते हैं, उसमें आप मेहनत करते हैं, तो डेफिनेटली इस बिज़नेस में भी आपको मेहनत ही करनी पड़ती है. ये नहीं होता कि आप इसको ज्वाइन करो और आपको कि मैं अभी से ही पैसा कमाना शुरू कर दूँ. यू हैव टू गिव लिटिल टाइम. सो इट टेक्स टाइम, बट इट ऑल्सो टेक्स कंसिस्टेंसी. अगर आप कंसिस्टेंट नहीं है किसी काम में तो उसका तो रिजल्ट फिर उसी तरह आएगा जिस तरह आप काम कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो इफ़ यू आर कंसिस्टेंट डेफिनेटली यू विल सी द रिजल्ट्स. Okay, I'm done with my life, or inshallah I'll see you soon. Hopefully I come live daily, लेकिन बस रूटीन ऐसी हो जाती है. इंशाल्लाह ज़रूर I'll start my daily lives as well. You never know, कल से भी हो सकता है, बाद में भी हो सकता है. तो anyways we'll see how it goes. Okay, take care everyone.